In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently stop a Loom recording using keyboard shortcuts, no matter whether you're using the desktop app or the handy Chrome extension. Mastering these shortcuts can save you time and make your recording process smoother, so let's dive in and get you comfortable with these quick actions. First, let's talk about the desktop app, starting with those of you on Mac OS. If you're recording your screen using the Loom desktop app, you can conveniently control the start and stop functions without ever needing to move your mouse. Simply press Command, Shift, and L simultaneously. This combination will allow you to both start and stop your recording, streamlining the process and ensuring that you capture exactly the footage you need. For those who are working on a Windows PC, the process is just as straightforward. You'll use a similar shortcut. When you're ready to start or stop your Loom recording, press Ctrl, Shift, and L. It's quick and easy, allowing for seamless recording sessions. Now, if you're someone who prefers the versatility of the Loom Chrome extension, whether on Mac OS or Windows, there are shortcuts for you as well. Mac users, you'll want to use the Option, Shift, and L keys to start or stop your extension-based recording. This shortcut simplifies control and keeps your focus on the task at hand instead of navigating drop-down menus. Windows users using the Chrome extension will also enjoy ease of use with one simple step. Just hit Alt, Shift, and L together, and you can effortlessly start or end your recording session. A neat little tip to keep in mind: when you're using these shortcuts, make sure to press the keys all at once and release them together. This ensures that the command registers correctly with the system. If you're finding your keyboard shortcut isn't working as expected, double-check that you're using the right combination for your setup, whether it's on the desktop app or Chrome extension, and that no other software is capturing your keyboard inputs. Another thing to remember is the context of your recording. Sometimes keyboard shortcuts might not work if the Loom app isn't active. So, make sure Loom is either running or that your Chrome extension is properly enabled within your browser settings. In the end, these shortcuts are designed to enhance your workflow, making it easier to control your recordings with just a few keystrokes. By integrating these simple steps into your Loom usage, you're setting yourself up for quick, efficient recording sessions that help you stay focused and productive. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.